Hey guys, Wolf of the Scolopendra here. Just showing you this. This is the cozy Cyoz, the Cyoz from Aliexpress, from the one T1 with the one 47. When did I get this? I think I got this like about Monday. Yeah, I think I got it on Monday from Aliexpress, from the same guy, outdoor tool store. This is a cool one. This is a nice one. This is the master of fanning. This knife here is the master of fanning. Like the master of fanning. Really like the blade design. Well, this is not an original blade design. This blade design is from, it's one of those squiddy knives. I don't remember the name. Nuthelus. I know it's an oceanic snail type, like a snail, squid type oceanic creature with name that begins with an N. I don't remember the name. Nuthelus, one of those. But the handle is an original design. I wish the blade was an original design, even though this is my favorite blade shape because it reminds me of a machete. They should have made this blade live. This would have been cool if they had the live version to this. Look at the handle though. Yeah, I dropped mine on concrete, flew right out of my hand. Okay, it was so slippery. I got it to not get any rat or no any tap, but I don't know what happened. It has everything to do with the washers, I think. The washers just, I think you need like more thicker, wider washers to have this to not have any play. It's a nice flipper though. Yeah, the Nuthelus, no, not Nuthelus, not the name of this one. This is the one's cozy Cyoz. Saw a few of these on YouTube. So I say, you know what? Let me give this a try. I think it ran about $40. Aliexpress, same guy, outdoor tool store. Yeah. Overall length is about 9 inches. Fuck. Yep. Overall I think it's about 9 inches. Overall, I believe. Anyway, this is it for me, man. Check this one out. It's a cool balisong. Really cool one.